a winter storm.
It really is. Buffalo, New York.
We had to come to Buffalo when they have the worst storm.
But that's what we do.
That's what we do.
That is what we do. We don't run from weather. We run to the weather. We didn't live through storms and Hurricane Katrina.
Girl, keep your eyes on that road. Some Katrina.
That's me, baby.
You gotta keep your eyes on this road.
They got a lake right over here. Right over here to the left.
Yeah, I don't think you can see it though.
But you can see how pretty the trees are with the snow on it.
Well, just keep driving.
Girl, listen, I got this. I can drive with my eyes closed.
She better stop playing before she come up missing. I know that much. All this darn snow out here. She got me in all this
Look,
darn
Mom,
snow.
no hands. I'm driving.
Stop playing, Katrina.
I'm gonna find us in one of these ditches.
I'm telling you, we in one of these ditches fooling around here. Some no hands.
I can drive with my eyes closed. I got one eye open. One eye on
stop
the road.
playing. You better stop playing.
One eye on the road.